last night, for the first time, I made this veggie rice dish, and it turned out so good, I thought I have to share this. I use this brown organic rice in my rice cooker because whenever I've tried it on the stove in a pot, it doesn't turn out nearly as well. My finely chopped veggies are sizzling away in the pan. I add a chopped tomato to the sauteed mushrooms. Rice, the tamari sauce. I cooked the peas and green beans separately in a small pan and then added them all to this pan. Put a good helping of it on a dinner plate and voila! If you try this dish, let me know what you think. You can always change up the sauce that you add. You can use soy sauce, sesame oil, or a combination of both. Some of you might like it to be a little spicy. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye. Well, it looks like I better go feed the birds now.